What if I told you your body has a natural process that can help fight disease, slow aging, and even prevent cancer? Most people don't even know it exists, but this hidden mechanism could change the way you think about your health. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of autophagy, and its most critical benefit might just surprise you. Autophagy is your body's way of recycling old, damaged, or unnecessary proteins. It's not just about renewing tissues like muscles or hair. Autophagy works deep within your cells. It clears out dysfunctional protein machines that are essential to cellular function, making it a crucial detox system for your body. But that's not all. Autophagy reduces your risk of chronic diseases, protects neurons and heart cells, and even cleans out sticky proteins and plaques that can clog up your brain. This process also activates during fasting, allowing your body to recycle proteins and become more efficient. It's a survival mechanism that's as practical as it is powerful. Here's the most important part. Autophagy has anti-cancer benefits. To understand why, we need to look at how cancer cells differ from normal cells. Normal cells generate energy through a process called mitochondrial respiration, which uses oxygen to create ATP, the energy currency of the body. But in cancer cells, this respiratory mechanism becomes damaged. As a survival strategy, cancer cells switch to fermenting glucose to generate energy without relying on oxygen. Cancer cells consume glucose at an astonishing rate, far more than normal cells. This is why PET scans, which measure glucose consumption, are used to detect cancer. Knowing this, it's clear why limiting glucose intake is essential for cancer prevention. What causes the damage in the mitochondria that leads to this cellular shift? One key factor is mitochondrial DNA, which is more vulnerable to damage than the DNA in the nucleus. When mitochondrial DNA is compromised, the respiratory process breaks down, and cancer cells begin to thrive. This is where autophagy plays a critical role. By cleaning up damaged proteins and enzymes in the mitochondria, autophagy helps restore normal cellular function. It prevents the cellular dysfunction that can lead to cancer, making its anti-cancer benefits one of the most vital aspects of this process. If you're wondering how to activate autophagy, the answer is simple: intermittent fasting. This natural and effective strategy can help kickstart your body's repair system and maximize the benefits of autophagy. Your body has an extraordinary ability to heal and protect itself, and autophagy is a prime example of this. By supporting this process, you can reduce your risk of chronic disease and take a proactive approach to your health. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video to help others learn about the power of autophagy. Don't forget to subscribe to Dr. AI for more insights into improving your health. Check out our next video to discover how intermittent fasting can unlock even more benefits for your body.